Welcome to Unit 14. I love cycling. I always cycle to work, and this summer I'm going on a cycling holiday. What's your favourite form of transport? In this unit, you will learn how to talk about your future plans.
What are you going to do at the weekend?
I'm going to the cinema.
What are you doing for your next holiday? Are you going to the beach or the mountains? Watch a video about some exciting holiday plans. In vocabulary, we will look at words that go together. Work hard. Drive carefully. Past, present and future. In this unit, you will read about big events in the lives of 3 people: an 18-year-old Czech student, a German architect, and a Scottish doctor. This or that, some or any. In this unit, we will also review the grammar from this level. Everyday English will look at some useful social expressions in English. Mr. Class, go online to learn and practice. Good luck. See you later.